Hello, my dear students, and welcome back. I know your exams are just around the corner, so I have a special treat for you today. We're going to cover a chapter that is so easy, it's a guaranteed way to get full marks. Let's jump right in. So, first things first, let me ask you a question. Which is your absolute favorite subject at school? Is it math, with all those fun numbers? Or maybe it's arts, where you can just let your imagination go wild? Or is it PE, where you get to run around and play? Just think about it for a second. Well, you know who else was wondering about this? Our friends Rohan and Anjali. They got really curious, and they wanted to find out which subject is the most popular, the most loved subject in their entire class. So what do you think they did? They decided to become little detectives. They went around the classroom and asked every single child, all 45 of them, one simple question. Which subject do you like the most? And this is what they got? Are bapre. Just look at this. It's just a huge jumble of letters. T for the world around us, A for arts, PE for physical education. What a mess. How is anyone supposed to understand anything from this? So what do? There has to be a better way to look at all these answers, right? Some way to make it all neat and clean so we can understand it in just one look? Yes, of course there is. We are going to perform a little magic trick. We'll take all that messy, jumbled up information and put it into a simple magic table. Just think of it like a magic box. You put the mess in and everything comes out perfectly neat and tidy. Let's see how. And this whole process, my dears, has a very simple name. It's called data handling. Now, don't let that big name scare you. It's super simple. It just means collecting information, which we call data, and then organizing it. That's all. So, here is our magic table. See how simple it looks? On one side, we've listed all the subjects. And on the other side, we're going to write down how many children voted for each one. All we have to do now is count those letters from that messy list we saw. And ta-da! See? I've already done the counting for you. Just look at how clear everything is now. We can see in a second that 10 children like maths, 7 like languages, another 7 like the world around us, 11 like PE, and 10 like arts. So much better, isn't it? Okay, and now for the really fun part. Once you have this organized table, answering questions becomes so fast and easy. It's like our table has given us superpowers to find any answer, just like that, in a snap. All right, first question for my little champions. Have a look at the number of children column in our table. Just look at the numbers. Which is the biggest number you see there? Which subject is the most common favorite? Exactly, the biggest number is 11, which means the most popular subject is physical education. Well, I can't say I'm surprised. I mean, who doesn't love to go out and play? Okay, ready for the next challenge? What about the least common favorite subject? Which subject got the fewest votes from the children? Go on, look at the table again and find the smallest number. Ooh, now this is interesting. Did you spot it? The smallest number is 7, right? But wait, 2 subjects have that number, so it's actually a tie. Languages and the world around us are tied for the least favorite. See how simple it is to find these answers now? You all are doing so well. I am so proud of you. Let's just practice this one more time with a really yummy example from your textbook. It's time for the Great Gola survey. So, during their lunch break, Rohan and Anjali saw all the kids eating these colorful ice golas. And you know what they did? They noted down everyone's favorite colors. And look, the data's already organized for us in this neat table. 10 children love yellow, 8 love red, 7 love orange, and 6 love blue. You know, we can also show this information as a picture. This is called a bar chart. It's so easy to read. Just look at the bars. The tallest bar immediately tells you which one is the winner, and the shortest bar shows the least popular one. It's a super quick way to see the results. So let's go back to our friends. If Rohan and Anjali want to buy the Gola that everyone loves the most, which color should they choose? Look at the chart or the table. What do you think? Yes, you got it. It has to be the yellow Gola because it has the most votes. 10 children said it's their favorite. Fantastic work. See? See how easy that was? This simple skill, this is your exam superpower. From now on, whenever you see a question with lots of confusing information, you'll know exactly what to do.
So just remember these just three simple steps to get full marks. Step 1, collect all the information. Step 2, organize it neatly in a table. And Step 3, answer any question just by looking at your beautiful, neat table. That's it. That's all you need to do.
And just like that, we finished the entire chapter. You are all now masters of data handling. It really, really is that simple. You've got this. All the very, very best for your exams, my dear students. I know you will all do wonderfully. Good luck.